Well, I'm Chris, and this is my Volkswagen Beetle steering column removal video. I believe this is a 1974 or 75 Volkswagen standard Beetle. All of that is 100% intact, and I'm going to remove it, sell it as it is. This piece should pop off. They don't reproduce this steering wheel yet, so somebody out there needs this. So we have to get that nut off. I just have a 1-inch socket. I'm not sure what size it is, but it's a different size than my 72. Got to get that nut all the way off. Let's try to pull the steering wheel up. So it has a wavy washer and nut. I'm just going to leave that intact for whoever buys it. Yeah, you can see why I bought that aftermarket steering wheel for my car, because this is what's supposed to be on there. So then go into the column, pull the wires off. There's 2, and then there's this other one. All the wires are off. 2 13mm. Okay, that's what is on there from the factory. Okay, so the column's just dangling free. So this one has some kind of weird lock or collar right here. Get a big screwdriver, just bend these tabs out of the way, like that. This piece should come out. There you go. I'm not sure what that's called. On these steering parts, the bolt has to come all the way out. That shaft will have like a little notch on it, so just go ahead and get those all the way out. So in this steering coupler, it's riveted, so it's factory with no bolts on it. So all we can do is take this off on either side. It's 13mm and then 14mm. Get it all the way out. Keep in mind, I've never done this before. I'm not sure how this comes out. Okay, guess it just pulls out. Guess that's it. All right, so that's just a seal. This is one of those crush pieces in case you get in a wreck. Very cool, looks good. So lesson in this video, we didn't have to take the steering wheel off. Quick inspection of the steering column. This is exactly what you want to see when you part a car out. Everything looks intact 100%. So we turn the wheel so we can see it. We're going to try to split it open. There we go. See how that shaft is cut out? That's why we had to remove the bolt 100%, and that shaft is cut out as well. So make sure that wire is connected like that. That grounds the steering column. Inspect all the shafts and splines. Everything looks 100%. We can put this back together, see what's left down there. See how with the bolt left in it, this thing will not come off at all. That's probably the easiest steering column I have ever removed in my life. I've only been filming for like 10 minutes, so I'm not exactly sure what this piece does, but it was kind of just in there and then locked like that. I'll part stuff out like this. I'll probably get $50 for the steering wheel, free shipping on eBay. Probably $100 I'll ask for it since it's in such good shape. No scratches, nothing. When I sell stuff like this, I sell it 100% complete with every little thing. These are the screws. I'll even put them on the side it came off of. I hate when I buy something and it's missing everything. I've been doing this stuff for over 20 years. This right here is going to be sold to pay for my 2276 Beetle engine. You know, when I was a teenager, I would just do this in the yard. But as you get older, you can't do that. You see, we're inside my little shop right here. So honestly, that is the easiest steering column I've ever taken out. An average column is going to take you about an hour to get out. All right, well, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.